So I know that how I look might be a little jarring right now because, you know, my makeup's done. I'm dressed under here, but it's so cold, so I have to wear this. And we're sitting here because I have the radiator right in front of me to keep me warm. Anyway, I wanted to make this video because I feel like I have definitely been in my cozy hobby era this year. And I've been discovering new hobbies and, oh no, I feel like just really healing my inner child through this process. And it all started because I was like dealing with so much anxiety when it came to passing my driving test, and especially when I had an exam coming up because you girl didn't pass until the fourth try. So we went through it quite a few times. The like weekend before the exam, I was so restless. I just couldn't focus on anything. I didn't want to play. I couldn't watch anything. Like my mind was elsewhere and there was just like nothing that I could do. So I felt like my hands needed to be busy because I was fine when I was doing my nails, but then after that I was like, I need to be doing something. It's starting to go really, really cold. It probably already is where you are. Christmas is coming up. Days are shorter. It gets dark really early. I don't know about you, but I go into hibernation in the winter, so I need fun things to do at home. So I think one of the first hobbies that I tried, which really helped with anxiety, is diamond painting. This one in particular I just love, and then I put it in this frame. It is cracked here because the cats knocked it off the shelf. So far have finished 2 diamond paintings, and right now I'm working on a really big one, and I have another big one ready to go as well. My next hobby was knitting. I originally wanted to knit a scarf, but it ended up being like too big for a scarf, not big enough for a blanket, so I just have it as a decoration on the end of my bed. And it's taken so long to finish because I was knitting a lot while doing my driving and stuff, but since that anxiety has gone away, I haven't really been knitting as much, but I did eventually finish it, and I probably will end up knitting some more. Another hobby that I've tried is painting. Well, abstract painting. I feel like with abstract painting, I mean, you can't go wrong. You're just going off energy, vibes. So yeah, I've always like wanted to give it a go, and then now that I'm in this house, I thought now is the time. I have loads of walls to decorate. I really enjoyed it. Like I must have spent a good few hours on that painting, but I mean, it felt like seconds. Time just flew by. The next hobby that I tried, and I got this from Temu, it was like €5, something stupid, super cheap. This cute little butterfly flower arrangement, honestly so cute, and I just had so much fun building it because it was like a puzzle, and afterwards you can use it to decorate. Right now I'm working on this little guy. Another cozy hobby is like one of those little book libraries. This is what I've made so far, just a bookshelf. It's super time consuming. Naive little old me was a bit hesitant to start it because I thought, oh, I don't want to rush through it. I didn't realize how time consuming it was going to be. Another cozy hobby for winter is pottery painting. I did go to a class to do this, but I mean, you can also do things like this at home, and I've heard air dry clay as well, making cute things with clay and painting them. So cozy. Also coloring books, pens, that has been blowing up on TikTok and it's so satisfying, so I just had to try it, and honestly I love it. So cozy, and you know, you can just put on a Christmas movie or something, watch something in the background while you're relaxing and coloring with a cup of tea, a snack. Honestly, perfect evening plan. Another thing that I wanted to try was paint by numbers. I did not realize how time consuming the paint by numbers would be. I am enjoying it, but I'm definitely doing it in small doses. I feel like, I don't know, after half an hour to an hour, it kind of gets like a bit boring and I have to stop and leave it for another day. But I'm sure in the end it'll be worth it when I have like a cute picture to decorate. Right now I'm working on a cute little ghosty. Halloween has been and gone. I bought it before Halloween thinking I would have finished it by Halloween. And then I bought another one with these like plants. This is intended to decorate either in my bedroom or in the hallway. Another hobby that I got that I haven't tried yet, I really enjoy knitting, so of course I thought I'll probably enjoy crocheting, and they had this cute hanging plant on temu, so I got it to try. I'll use it to decorate somewhere, maybe in the office. And I've never tried this before, but I got this embroidery kit with 3 different stencils for flowers, so I think this could be like really relaxing and satisfying to do. I definitely have plenty of hobbies to get me through this winter season, and I saw a TikTok a while ago that said you're not sad or bored, you just haven't discovered hobbies yet. And I feel like that is so true. Since I've been doing this and letting out my creative side, and I don't know, it really does feel like healing your inner child, like you're dedicating time to yourself, doing stuff that you love. I feel like since doing hobbies, I'm just enjoying life so much more in general. And sometimes I really feel like I want to watch Netflix or something, but if I just spend all day binge watching stuff, it feels like a complete waste. So by having these hobbies, I have things that I can be doing while I'm watching things, so then, I don't know, my time is feeling like more productive. I'm the type of person that if I'm doing nothing, I just constantly feel guilty, like I can't fully relax. So this definitely helps me. And of course, how could I forget? Another one is gaming, playing on my Switch. That's super cozy, or playing a game on my computer. I've been enjoying doing that. And I also bought like a really cheap jigsaw puzzle off temu to do with my boyfriend. We haven't got around to doing it yet. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it's given you, I don't know, some ideas of hobbies that you can try this winter, or things that you can ask for Christmas. Let me know in the comments if you have any other cozy crafts. Anyway, see you in the next video. Bye.